Cyna Vasquez, and today I will be teaching and demonstrating the 5 fundamental positions of arms and feet. Philippine traditional dances are known for their expressive foot and arm gestures. Whether the dance steps are slow or fast, these movements are a combination of the 5 fundamental positions of arms and feet. For beginners, learning the fundamental of dance is vital since it helps with basic steps and posture in folk dance. With these fundamental movements, arm and foot movements is crucial. Now, we will start with the fundamental position of arms. First position, raise arms to a circle in front of the chest. Second position, open up arm sideward, raise below shoulder level with a graceful curve. Third position, raise the right arm overhead while the other arm remains in the second position. Fourth position, raise the left arm in front of the chest in a half circle while the right arm remains overhead. Fifth position, raise left arm overhead in a graceful curve. This time, we will do it on the opposite side. First position, second position, third position, raise left arm overhead while the other arm remains in the second position. Fourth position, raise the right arm in front of the chest in half circle while the left arm remains overhead. Fifth position, raise the right arm overhead in a graceful curve. Now, we will start with the fundamental positions of feet. First position, bring heels close to touching, toes apart. Second position, bring right feet apart sideward. Third position, bring the heel of the right foot to touch the instep of the other foot. Fourth position, bring right foot in front of the other foot to walk strike. Fifth position, bring the heel of the right foot to touch the toe of the left foot. Now, we will start the opposite side of the fundamental positions of feet. First position. Second position, bring left feet apart sideward. Third position, bring the heel of the left foot to touch the instep of the other foot. Fourth position, bring left foot in front of the other foot to walk strike. Fifth position, bring the heel of the left foot to touch the toe of the right foot. Now, we will combine the fundamental positions of arms and the fundamental positions of feet. First position. Second position. Third position. Fourth position. And fifth position. Now we will do it in the opposite side. First position. Second position. Third position. Fourth position. And lastly, the fifth position. And that's it. Those are the fundamental positions of arms and feet. Now, remember, the nature of dance is described by these essential steps. Fundamental movements, fundamental rhythms, are simply basics in dance. It establishes the dance's beat. When a dancer does not perform any other steps, this is the default move or steps. It is necessary to know the basic steps performed in various handholds and dance positions in order to enjoy particular social dances. To do effectively in all dancing activities, it is critical to practice the fundamental or basic poses of the arms and feet, and all of the maneuvers, hand and body gestures, and musical rhythms must be learned. Once again, I am Cyna Vasquez. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye!